Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. On today's video, I will be installing my Heretic Studio 40-inch light bar into my roof rack. So this light bar is the combo, so we got the flood and spotlight all in one. But yeah, hoping for a pretty straightforward install. I always seem to run into some sort of issue. Hopefully that doesn't happen today, so fingers crossed. But yeah, there's not really too much to say. I'll give you guys a nice close look at the end of it. But yeah, let's get towards the install. Alright, so these L brackets here, I'm actually just going to flip them around as the bolts that I have are a little bit too long. But yeah, simple solution. We got the easy part done, which was mounting it onto the roof rack. Now we just need to run the wiring down the side and into the engine bay, of course. And yeah, hopefully that goes all smoothly, and then we will be good to go. So I have a switch panel inside my engine bay. This one here is from Cali Raised LED. I've been happy with it, no issues. So yeah, just need to, like I said, run the wiring down. I think I'm going to put it in this guy here. And yeah, hopefully this goes smoothly. All right, so I'm going to switch out the fuse though to a 30 amp fuse. The 20 doesn't handle the Heretic Studio lights just because how powerful they are. So I just picked some up from the local automotive shop. And yeah, that's simple. Now that we got the wire through, let's get the light connected up here. So that way we just know where to cut the wire. Alright, let's just connect it first. There we go. So now that's all connected. That'll just run down like this with the KC wire hider. Just probably zap strap this to the bottom of the roof rack rail. And then all we got to do then is just attach our positive and negative to here, and we should be good to go. Alright, so I got the wires now exposed. So just gotta take off the tips of them. Probably take off a little bit more, I think. There we go, now I'm kind of getting the hang of it. All right. All right. All hooked up there. Let's see if it turns on. All right, so the moment of truth. And there it is, all lit up. Nice, that makes me so proud of myself being able to do this stuff, because it is actually very, very simple, but it's just a little bit daunting doing the wiring by yourself. But yeah, I did it. So I guess we'll just get things all tidied up. I gotta still do the wire hider and stuff, but yeah, super excited. All right, so I got the wire hider cut to the right length. So I just need to put these guys on there. Alright, there's the wire hider. Looks super clean. Now we just got to tidy up the wires up top. And then in the engine bay. And I think we are good to go. Alright, and the last piece to the puzzle. Well, that is it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, be sure to give the video a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to my channel. Also, if you are interested in Heretic Studio lights, I will put a link in the description down below. But yeah, that's basically it. I hope you guys have a great rest of your day and we'll catch you next time. Here is the light bar, only the light bar on. It lights it up, wow, all the way down to the bottom of our driveway there. That's insane. That is incredible. Wow, that's bright. Check that out. It looks like daylight out here now.